Downloading an ebook from OverDrive to your Kindle or Kindle app is fairly easy. You'll go through the same steps as you would to download the book right to OverDrive by searching or browsing to find an available title. Once you've found one you're interested in, you can click Borrow, and then you have the option to read now with Kindle. If you're already logged into your Amazon account, you can just click Get Library Book to decide which device you'd like to send it to. Otherwise, when you click Get Library Book, you'll need to sign into your Amazon account, and then you'll have the option to send it to any devices that have the Kindle app. Now, something to keep in mind is when you go back to your bookshelf, any titles that you've sent to your Kindle won't appear here because they're not on your OverDrive bookshelf. However, if you want to see what you do have checked out on your Kindle, all you have to do is click on Add Title to be brought to the Onondaga County Library page. Choose the hamburger menu, go to My Account, and then click Loans. Here you can see that we have it checked out on our Kindle, as well as After You. You can also click the button Read Now on Kindle to be brought from the OverDrive app to Amazon to read your book. And that's how you access Kindle books from OverDrive.